Okay, here we go. Check swing cascades. Alright, let's add some colour to these rear clusters. Highlight your lights. Just turn off mirror for now. Flash on the keypad, and we're just doing a viewport shading. We need to separate the back from the front here. So highlight that edge. Alt and left click. GG. Just pull that forward just a little bit. Oops. Try again. GG. Just to tighten that corner. What we need to do now is add one in there also. Right, so this from there back will be the reflector. So highlight that edge there again. H to hide. Highlight that. Press Ctrl L. P by selection. P by selection. Separate by selection. And with them actually, Alt H to unhide everything. Select the back one. F2. Just rename this to reflector, I guess. Yep. Excuse me. Right, so we need this back bit to be basically chrome. So we don't need the black cross on there. Create a new material. Click on the material name and rename that to chrome. Right, so chrome is metallic, so we'll put metallic up to 1. Specular, and just put a 0.8 on there, and roughness opposite direction, so 0.2. We could make it more reflective, but that'll do for now. Put another one in there actually. In fact, hopefully this back edge doesn't collide with the panel behind it. Just check. Highlight this a sec. Rear cluster. Hide that. There you go. See how all those rear faces are colliding there. So highlight the outer edge. Control-I to invert. And then slide it forward on the Y axis there. There we go. Otherwise, yeah, it's just going to create loads of weird artifacts. Right, rear cluster. Slash on the numpad again. Material. This one also doesn't have the black gloss. Actually, what we need to do first is we need to divide the light up. Let's do Control R and center. Left click, then right click to drop it. Scale X 0. Right, now for bevel this edge, all the verts that's selected even. Slide it along. Ooh, so those are equal, I think. Let's have a look at this picture. I think the middle bit's slightly smaller than the outer bit, isn't it? So I've just undone that a sec, sorry. Control B. So slightly smaller than the outsides. Okay. I think these edges need tightened up a little bit as well. Tell you what, put it all through the Control R. JJ this one. That looks a bit nicer. How about that side up? GG. Right, so we need orange in the middle and red on the outside. So this bit center will be the repeater or indicator. That'll probably be running lights or something, and this be brake. But they can just be the same colour. So Right, this bit creates problems. Nice easy fix though. So highlight these, create new material, click on the plus, then create new material, give it a name. Let's call this repeater. This one's the orange one. Scroll down, transmission, we'll just give it a 0.98. Then do a Control I, invert, then a Control plus. Oh no, cannot. Right, do a 2, highlight these two, do a Control B again, bevel, pull it out just a little bit, not too far, we just need to create an edge. Then scroll up once on the wheel, left click to drop. And so now, if you highlight all the outside edge in X-ray mode, and all of that one, and do a plus, Control plus. Do a plus, and a new, I'll call this just break, will do. Assign that. And this extra edge here creates that line there. And make that red. There you see how it looks all quite weird there. So what we need to do is do a Control plus again. Saying that, there we go, that tightens that up now. And don't forget your 0.98 on the transmission, so we can see through that. What we'll need to do is we'll need to thicken this to create the inner surface, and then these indented bits will have the bump texture on it. You don't really need a displacement, that's just overkill. But that bit's a little bit more complicated. I'm happy to do it. Just put a comment below if you want to see that bit next, or whenever basically. So slash on the keypad. Reflector selected, and we'll put them around. There we go, looking nice. Check render view. Ooh, a bit in the dark here, isn't it? So, tell you what, let's try to match this light and how the light's actually at the back of the car. So, if we jump into our shading tab at the top, left from the same place as last time in the world environment. If it's not, you might have this, you might have the black material selected, so just click on object, go to world, and then I'm pretty sure I've created this one already. Well, it must be because it's already there. I'm pointing at the screen and you can't see that. Right, so what we need to do is highlight this one. Just line our view up slightly. Okay, with the mapping, rotation, just click and drag in here. And there we go, it's bringing the sun round the back. That'll do. Back into modelling tab. There we go. Will look better again with that bumpy surface in there. Let's have a quick spy at this again. So I'm pretty sure it's only like the raised surface that has the bumpy texture, nothing around here. Like I say, that's a little more complicated. If you want to see that, like I say, drop a comment below. Whilst you're there, you could like and subscribe, please. That would be good. And don't forget, Control S. In fact, let's put it in that one just in case. Control S. Don't forget to save. And then I'll catch you in the next one. Ooh, before I go, just realised this. Alright, do Control 1. That doesn't look quite right, so tab. Tab into that one. Right, GG. Slide that across. Maybe it's GG down as well. Just follows that round a little better. Nicer. Saving that one. GG. Of course, as you select them, make sure you're in X-ray mode or won't select the ones behind. GG down. And there we go. I think these are out a bit too far also. Just being finicky now, aren't I? There we go. Yep, a lot better. There we go. Catch you in the next one.